Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over the features of YouTube Premium. So I'll link this page down in the video description if you'd like to check it out, youtube.com/premium. For $13.99 a month, you're going to get access to some really great features. So scrolling down here, first and foremost, you're going to get unlimited ad-free videos when watching YouTube. So no pre-roll ads, no mid-roll ads. It'll be uninterrupted viewing of those videos that you're watching on YouTube. Also, you can download videos so that you can enjoy them offline. So if you're going to be in an area that you don't have access to the internet, or maybe you want to save the amount of data that you're using with your phone, you can download videos when you're on your home internet Wi-Fi, and then you can enjoy those videos offline later on your smartphone device. Additionally, it has background play, so you can watch and listen to YouTube videos when you're using other apps on your smartphone. But what I really like about this is you can turn off your phone screen and still listen to the YouTube video that you're watching. I use this a lot at night when I'm going to bed. If I want to have something to listen to as I'm falling asleep, I don't want my screen on, so I can turn that off, but I can still listen to the video playing. And these are the main features that you're going to get using the YouTube app. But additionally, you're also going to get YouTube Music Premium. In the YouTube Music part of this, you can download the YouTube Music application, listen over to 100 million songs ad-free. You can also listen to these offline if you want. You can download music and different playlists and things that you can listen to when you're not hooked up to the internet with your device. And of course, you can also listen to this music while your screen is turned off. And additionally, videos through the YouTube Kids app will also be ad-free with a YouTube Premium subscription. Particularly if you're thinking of getting a YouTube Music subscription, perhaps to replace Spotify. Just the YouTube Music part is $10.99 a month. I recommend just getting the $13.99 a month YouTube Premium so that you additionally get some bonus features through the YouTube app. This is actually a change that I made recently. Spotify, the price kept going up and up, where YouTube Premium, the price difference isn't all that much. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, so it's nice not having the ads anymore. And then I'm also using YouTube Music Premium instead of Spotify to get my music. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this quick overview was helpful, going over the features that you get with a YouTube Premium subscription. I'll have this webpage linked down in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself at youtube.com/premium.